Hello everyone. Today we are going to present our project for the hackathon, Hack for Career. And as the title of the project you can see here, it's a lecture scheduler. So what does it do? It actually schedules lecture for specific subjects for a division in such a manner that students have to travel minimum distance, and scheduler setters can easily set them up and even export it to a timetable. So how do we start? To start, we will first suppose say select a room here. Suppose we like this room and we select OS, and then we set it up as OS D1 for lecture 1. And suppose if I want to set the next lecture, that is DM, that is discrete mathematics, and suppose say I just add it, but it seems I have made a mistake and lecture 1 is already existing, and this feature exists to avoid duplicacies. So we now carefully set it to lecture 2 and add this up. And now we select another one, that is, suppose we want to have a lecture of PEM here, that is Principle of Economics and Management, and this is lecture 3. So now, as you can see, for D1 we have occupied 3 rooms. So now we schedule it. So after scheduling, you can see here, our scheduler has created a custom path for our students for the exact rooms we have specified. OS is this room at lecture 1, then we have DM at this specific room, and at the topmost floor we have PEM, that is Principle of Economic Management, at lecture 3. So we now have this specific part for D1. Suppose say we have 2 divisions. So what will we do? We will just add another division D2, and suppose say they also have lecture DM at this point, and say yes, lecture 1. And now we have another part for D2, that is this one, that is OS, and we will add it here, lecture 2 for this part. And suppose say we have another lecture, suppose which is in this case object oriented programming principle, that is OOPS in this case, and we want to add it, but we don't specify the location. Then in this case the program will actually automatically select the best possible choice for the students. And now we have both D1 and D2 here. Now we can just simply schedule lectures. So you can see the new path, that is this one. You can see that the yellow path is for division D1, and this one is for this purple path is for the division D2. And now you can see that the lecture 2 and 3 both are for the same one. And now we can simply export the PDF, and you can see the new path, and that is this one. And this is it for here. You can see the timetable, and this timetable has been set for specific D1 and D2 till 3 lectures. And we can also set our views from here and here also, like this works according to specific floors. And suppose say you have made a mistake or something and you want to edit the lectures, you can also edit it here. Suppose say you want it not here, you want it here instead, then you can save it, and you can once again schedule it, and you can click it done, and now it happens. So yes, so it's edited now. You can see the new path. And lastly, suppose if we say we want to add more divisions, then we can also do this, and you can see here we now have more divisions to add, and we can also set it up once again. Yes, you can see it, floor 3, and you can even click it here, and after clicking you can see the lectures for which each of them were scheduled. And so this is it, basically our project. And after completing, you can export the timetable just as I showed you before. And after doing this is reset. We can reset all of this thing. And thanks for watching.